Hi, my beautiful friends. It's Marta here. Welcome in my crafty space. I think this is the first time I'm actually recording myself in this new working area. I will be sharing with you my new craft room tour shortly. But today I have some other exciting news to share. And without further ado, I just want to share with you that this year I have this incredible opportunity that I'm going to be one of the speakers on this year Card Making Summit. If you never heard about the Card Making Summits, these are regular events which are organized by Justin Huve. I think this is a name in our crafting industry that doesn't need any more introduction. And every year, Justin is gathering all different crafters, and these are like top names from our crafting world, and she is asking everyone to join forces and create some courses and classes which are dedicated to one specific topic. And this year Card Making Summit is actually called Cardmaking Stash Summit, and it's all about using your own stash. So if you are like me, if you are guilty that you are buying some stamps, dice, paper pads which later on are stuck in a shelf and some of them are lying still sealed, unused, that's definitely for you, because there are 29 different crafters, and these are the top of the top names like Justin Hoover, Laura Beard, Ardit, Mary Polanco, Natasha Food, Katarina Tarta, and so on. And I'm amongst them. So I'm super excited about this opportunity, and we are coming and sharing our own experiences, advices, different things what you can do to finally quit the procrastination with this having tons of the scraps and paper pads, things you are not using, and break the cycle and finally start working with the things you already have. What is the most important and exciting thing here is that this is a free event. There is a link included down below in the description area, and my friends, you can actually click on the link and register, and that's it. You have now access to the Card Making Summit once it will take the place. There are 3 days from 29 till 31st January, and 3 days are slightly different. There are different topics to use the papers, to elevating your cards from the beginner level to intermediate one, and then the last day I believe that it's like a doubling your card, so what you can do to actually get more out of your work, how you can create two cards instead of the one. So many different exciting topics. I am super excited to see all other creators, what they are come up with, what they're gonna be teaching, because I think this is a great opportunity for myself to even grab some new ideas, learn new techniques, and find out new ways I can use up my own supplies. So saying that, you can register, and that gives you 24 hours per each day. So all the videos from Thursday you can watch up till the Friday, from Friday up till Saturday, and from Saturday you've got 24-hour window to watch all the classes from that particular day. However, oh, one more thing. The vast majority of the crafters who are coming to be your teachers on the Card Making Stash Summit, they are also coming with some additional bonuses. So there'll be some extra templates, some bonuses, digital designs, extra things to look for, because you get so much more than just the classes. Everything is written down instructions, so easy to go and follow and finally start working with the things you already have. So that's your free access, that's the free ticket allow you for that access. However, if you would like to get some additional bonuses, and I believe there's like $400 worth bonuses, you can upgrade to the paid ticket. And what is more exciting is that the paid ticket will give you the lifelong access to all the videos. So instantly. Once you upgrade your ticket, you get the access straight away, so you can start watching the videos even before the summit starts. And then after the summit, you can rewatch them as many times. You can revisit the videos which you most liked and have some useful tips there. You can rewatch them back again. Plus, you get these additional ebooks, additional live classes, different courses, which are really high value, everything within this paid ticket price. And I believe that if you go straight away from registering, there's a 30-minute, you get the best deal, $45 for all the classes, lifelong access. And there is a Facebook group where will be more different events like morning coffees, things like that, so you get the access to those ones as well. So saying that, that's quite a lot to share with all this information, but I encourage you to click on the link and register even for a free class to see, because there's so much more what you can find there, classes and different things, bonuses, that it's really worth to check in. So I hope this is something exciting for you as well, and you'll be looking forward to join me. I will be also having some live classes pre-event on the Facebook group, so it's worth to signing up there as well. And I hope to see you there. Once again, thank you for everything. I will be coming with a new video shortly, because I do have a project on my desk which is just about to be finished. So there will be new video coming, and in the meantime, I am saying bye. I'm sending you all hacks, and I wish you a fabulous day. Stay blessed, my friends, and bye bye.